Hello everyone, my name's Amit and welcome to the video. Today is all about the Audi A3 and the upgrades that we have completed for it. So what we've installed on this car is an absolute revolution. Makes this car the ultimate vehicle, giving you full functionality, and we've done that by installing Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But not just that, we've made it fully wireless. An amazing bit of kit has been installed onto this car. Now, these A3s are lovely. They do the job. They are perfect kind of city car and family vehicle. However, they are starting to show their age, and we want to bring that up into the modern era, giving you the luxuries that you deserve and expect now from a modern vehicle. So using the factory screen, this is what I love about this system the most, is it actually uses your existing screen, so there are no visual cues that you have anything aftermarket installed in the vehicle. However, when you get in the car, as soon as you turn it on, your phone will connect automatically. No need to plug in, no need for wires going everywhere. Connect automatically to the car screen, giving you full Apple CarPlay or full Android Auto, giving you access to WhatsApp, Spotify, your maps, everything you could possibly want goes through your car screen. It's a really nice and easy to use solution, and one that we're fitting more and more often here at CBS, because once everyone uses it, they can't get enough. Now, the way the system works in here is essentially you get in the car, you flick and you press and hold a little button in the vehicle that's already there. So for example, in this one it is the back button, and then you flick over to show the CarPlay. But we'll jump in a minute to show you how the system actually works in practice. But just going back to what we've actually installed in this car, it's a really neat solution. But we also, while it is wireless, we do also give the option of going wired as well, by installing a small USB into the glove box of this vehicle, so that the client can plug in if they wanted to charge their phone as well. But again, this car came to us with the Bang & Olufsen sound system, and so by including a system like this, you retain all of your features, including that sound system, but also all your vehicle settings or your time and date settings. Everything that you might need to change, you can still do that. It's not a replacement screen. It doesn't affect anything, doesn't take away any functionality, only adds to it, which is why it's one of the best upgrades on the market. Now, when you're doing a system like this, it's very popular to add on a reverse camera as well. However, if you already do have a reverse camera, we can still retain that with the system here, so it works as you had it before. But if you don't have one, a reverse camera is a really popular optional upgrade to add to it. So what we're going to do is you can jump in this car and just give you a quick overview of how the system works, and we'll take it from there. So now we're inside the Audi A3, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of how the system actually works in practice and how simple it is to use. Now, one of the main reasons we use these kits is because it is really simple. You get in, it connects up to your phone automatically, whether it's an Android, an iPhone, whatever it is, it just pairs up, and it's a really seamless procedure to go through. So in terms of how it actually works, it's fairly similar between Android and Apple, and also between different vehicles. Remember, this upgrade can be done on so many different types, not just Audi A3s, not just Audis, but so many different vehicles you can actually do this upgrade too. So essentially, the way it works in this car is, you still keep all of your Audi menus. Everything in there that you used to control the vehicle before is still there. You're not losing any functionality here. But the way that it works is you press and hold a button in the car. So in this case, it's the back button just next to the center control wheel. And you press and hold that, and it will flick over to show the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto up on your main screen. It's as simple as that. It's also that same button again to flick back towards the Audi menus if you need to. Now, once you're in here, you can still use your normal control wheel to flick through the different menus, to type out where you're going, to pick your different song, whatever you need to do. You can do it all through that control wheel, or if the car already has touchscreen, you can use that as well. Now, in some Audis, it's actually possible, and we've come up with developed a really cool way to make the screen actually touchscreen in the vehicle, but that is on a slightly different one. So if you have a different Audi, do get in contact with us and just find out what can be done for your vehicle, because it does vary a little bit from car to car. But essentially, that's how the system works, and one of the main benefits that I really like about this one is you still keep all of your steering wheel controls. So your volume, skip track, all of that all still comes up through the screen, through the way that you controlled it before. However, you just now have access to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all of those extra features. It's a really nice upgrade. Now, the other thing I mentioned outside of the car was about a reverse camera. Now, this client didn't opt to go for that, but it is a really popular option to go for. So essentially the way that system works is as soon as you go into reverse, your image comes up on the screen with a very small little wedge camera just at the back of the vehicle, giving a really crisp and clear image from the back of the car. Now that will work whether you're on the Apple CarPlay menu, Android Auto, or even just on the normal Audi menu. Still functions, still works really, really well, and is one of the reasons why we do this upgrade so often. It is an amazing one to have. But if you have an Audi or any vehicle for that matter, and you're looking to add and upgrade it to have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or just to enhance the functionality of your vehicle, do get in contact, because there's so many different upgrades we can add to these cars. Whether that be dash cameras, heated seats, parking sensors, all sorts of things, we can add it to your vehicle. So I hope you enjoyed today's quick little video on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this Audi A3. And if you have enjoyed, feel free to subscribe and like this video as well. But I'll see you in the next one.